Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to delete a chat in Bigo Live. If you want to delete a chat in Bigo Live, first of all, open the Bigo Live application on your device, and once you're inside the home page after logging in, go ahead and click on the chats icon at the bottom right corner. From here, you'll be able to see all of your chats on the screen. To delete a chat, go ahead and select the single chat and swipe left on it and click on remove. Repeat this process for every other chat you'd like to delete from the chat list. Soon after you do that, you will be able to remove the chats that you've selected. So there you have it. That is how you can easily delete your chats from your Bigo Live account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.